This is my web. My domain. This is my domain and this kid is trespassing. Please! Don't fall.
I'm not good at. Ew. I'm not good at this.
Why does it have a coat on? Doesn't the blue coat have a green coat?
I don't know.
I need a new home.
Go live in a box.
I do?
This is your home. Go in the hippo.
Hippo.
Why not?
Maybe if there was a rhinoceros or something.
No, there's a hippo, a ladybug, and a bumblebee.
I don't want a hippo.
Well, that's not my problem.
Hey! Cheater! I told you, cheating is illegal. So how are you supposed to walk around?
I can. I really don't know.
Hope you fall.
And how do you feel about this, that your home is being invaded?
You could just go this way.
Call the police.
Or
You get up there, push him.
I'm gonna push him.
Hello?
You're a mean
Cops? That kid over there is invading my privacy.
Call the cops.
You're gonna be here in 4 seconds? What?
He doesn't know where you are.
I'm on the web inside Pearson Park. Oh, we're gonna get that kid in big trouble. Thanks, dude. Uh-oh, they're coming.
how do you feel about that?
I don't need to worry about the cops.
You should. They have tasers.
Okay, bye-bye now.